Hi, if you're new here, welcome to my channel. In this video, I shall showcase how we can use Gamma to create presentation. Now, this is in extension and addition to the previous video which I created on the same topic. So there I went ahead and I had shown you how to import a PDF file and create a presentation out of it. Right here, I'll be doing something else. I'm going to generate it with the help of a prompt. Right. So I'll put a prompt, generate a presentation on pin on glass. Let's see what I get. So this is the presentation or output which I have got with my incomplete and inaccurate prompt. So my intent was to create a pin on glass payment technology presentation. Now, since I have not defined it correctly in my prompting, I have got this output. Now let me change, let me see if it is able to understand it. Glass, it is still there. I think it is understood that I am referring to a pin on glass payment methodology, and like this, where like the users can probably use the touchscreen to enter their credentials of debit card or credit card. So it is giving me an indexing. Now I can go and I can do changes in this, right? So I will probably go and if I don't like something, I can also delete. The glass making revolution. This slide is also irrelevant here. I'll delete this. The modern science material. I'm not talking about glass, how it is prepared or made. I'm talking here about technology. All these outputs are irrelevant and not required. Now, the second one is still okay. Secure payment technology allowing pillars of secure authorization. Okay, how? So this is also okay. Industry impact and application. So this way you can basically go ahead and you can, if you don't like any slide or any output is generated, you can delete it. You can also merge it. Like if you want to, if you want to probably combine the two slides. Okay. Now let me go ahead and generate this and see what I am getting. While it gets generated, a lot of users have reported that when they are trying to export the output from Gamma, so the content is not like perfectly aligned. So I was reading it in some forums, but I think that's not correct. You yourselves can probably give it a try. See. So I have got this output. See, this is what I was talking. Pin on glass, the evolution of secure digital interaction. I think 5 6 years ago, like Axis Bank was working on this technology. I think they had also launched it out in the market along with there are some other prominent banks also in India. But this didn't picked up like much pace. That's a different thing. Will not go there. You see, now I still have the option to upgrade, add, and modify my slides. I also have the agent option here. Uh, Also, I just wanted to add one thing here is so I had been using Microsoft Copilot, I think since last 2 years to create like corporate presentation and also for personal use. And I think Gamma is also there for like same amount of time. But the thing was with is like in terms of the user and adoption, I think Gamma is preferred more if you're working in a startup or you're a startup founder, or it is quite flexible. Like if you want to probably share a link of what you are creating. See, I'm still using a free account. So I have so when I had created my account, I got some free credits. Okay, and I think with every slide or with every content which I'm actually generating, so some of my credits are getting like reduced. But there's also an option to upgrade, which I don't prefer, and I'll not ask you to upgrade. I'll encourage you to use a free version and also try out other AI like tools which are actually is available as a free version. Okay. The other thing also which I was reading, and I actually want to clear out the misconceptions because I myself had used it like for quite some time. Is that we were saying that like when we are creating and when we are downloading and saving this presentation, so you also have a watermark of like of this gamma, right? In each and every slide. This is also not true. I think you all should like give it a try and see like which one is better. Either this is better or Copilot is better. Uh, with my experience of 2 years of using this in the presentation, uh, so like what I have seen, like when it comes to the image generation and like when it comes to doing things like in a matter of few minutes, so I found like Gamma is quite good. But again, like if you are working in an organization and you are in a legal binding, you cannot use any other software, you cannot install, or the IT team doesn't allow it. It's other than the Microsoft, so you can probably use the Microsoft Copilot there. The thing is that you have to open a pptx document and then click on the Copilot ribbon and go ahead like with the prompts. I think this video was useful. I'll I'll try to cover a couple of more videos on Gamma, and I'll try to also cover and compare it with few more the AI tools which are there in the market available as a free version, open source. Okay. I hope this was useful. Thanks for watching.